All right, guys. Tuesday. We are just tackling this week, huh? A little bit of new stuff, a little bit of old stuff, a little bit of action here. Wait, look, we're all athletes somewhere. We're going to make sure we keep that. We don't get an opportunity to do a lot of lateral movement because of the spot method currently. So we're going to try to maximize that as much as possible with some of these new movements that we're doing today. So stay with me here, okay? The first one that we're going to do is a lateral side shuffle. So you're going to be taking advantage of every bit of that 8 feet of your box, okay? And we're going to keep a low base, and we're going to move our bodies laterally, and we're going to touch the line with our hand. Here, touch, moving back and forth, touch. If you see Coach Jacob's going to turn around this other way here, and I want you to see his posture in this position. As he moves laterally, you can tell he's touching, he's staying relatively low, even though his chest will rise a little bit, that's okay. And we're going to do that as many times in a minute. This is your true cardio portion of the workout. Nice lateral movement. These adductors and this are going to get fried up, but you know what? We need the work. We don't just move forward and backward in this world. We move left and right as well. So right after that, that's minute number 1. Minute number 2, we're going into a single arm bridge floor press. So Coach Jacob's hips are going to be pressed upwards here. Nice flat bridge here, and then he's going to be pressing, getting as many repetitions in with this arm as possible. So this will be with your left arm. Get as many repetitions with your left arm as possible within that minute time frame. And then once we're done with that, we're going to move on to that next movement. So minute number 3 is a single arm ring row. This is a great movement, but it's also, if you've done ring rows in the past, this is a great way to make sure that both left and right sides are getting good stimulus and making sure that one side isn't compensating more than another side here. So when we do a single arm ring row, the angle cannot be as steep, or it would be very difficult to keep it as steep here. So Coach Jacob will start out with kind of a conservative angle, maybe right at 45 degrees. He's going to allow the ring to stretch his arm and then pull, still squeezing the shoulder blades here. You want to move smooth here. This isn't what I would call a typical fast moving. As you can see here, you really can't do that, okay? Or something's going to get hurt there. So we want to be completely smooth here. 45-degree body angle, squeezing your quads, squeezing your butt, making sure as you're allowing that arm to stretch, squeezing that shoulder blade and keeping that thing close to your body. Once you've done it both on your on your left side, then we'll move on to the right side. You're back to the single arm bridge floor press, and we're doing that with the right side now. Get as many repetitions as possible. Then minute number 5, we'll go back to our feet. We'll do as many single arm ring rows as possible with the right arm. Last minute, we'll be completely rested, and we'll rinse and repeat this for 30 minutes. So super great arm pump and chest pump session here. And then we'll move to the cool down. All of these movements you're super familiar with. 3 rounds, get some abs, so we're taking care of that beach body for sure. Yeah, I know beach season is basically over unless you're going to some tropical place here, but hey, you ain't got to get ready if you stay ready. So, hence, we're going to keep it going. See you Wednesday.